Using Printful with Amazon allows you to sell custom print-on-demand products while Printful handles production and shipping. Here's how to get started. Create accounts. Ensure you have a Printful account and a professional Amazon Seller Central account, which is required to sell on Amazon. Connect Printful to Amazon. In your Printful dashboard, go to Settings, Stores, Add Store, and select Amazon. Follow the prompts to link your Amazon Seller account, granting Printful access to manage orders and inventory. Set up your Amazon listings. In Printful, design the products you want to sell. Ensure designs meet Amazon's content and quality guidelines. You can publish the products directly to Amazon from the Printful dashboard. Configure pricing and shipping. Set product prices with a markup to cover Amazon's selling fees. Printful ships products directly to customers, so choose shipping options accordingly. Manage orders automatically. When a customer places an order on Amazon, Printful receives the details, produces the item, and ships it directly to the buyer. Order status and tracking updates sync automatically. Monitor performance. Track your sales and monitor reviews through Amazon Seller Central while Printful handles fulfillment and delivery.